Hi Ollie, welcome to the club. It's good to have you on board. You've been training with the team for quite a long time now, so you already know the majority of the team. How'd you get on with them?
Yeah, that's right. I've been training with the team around the last part of the season. I've enjoyed it, to be fair. Can't really say a bad word about them. The lads took me on board really well. I've enjoyed it so far. The staff are great with me, so nothing really to say anything more than that. Yeah.
You've played really well in training. Like, you've got fast feet and you're very skillful. I'll give you that. You've been at TNS and Altrincham previously. So you were in the TNS development squad, was it?
Yeah, I was mainly in the academy. I left TNS around when I was a bit younger, to be fair.
Right.
And I was with Altrincham recently. Obviously, spent a bit of time at Altrincham, and then I was actually playing abroad in Poland for about 2 months, trying my luck out there.
Okay.
And then I've ended up coming to the Bay. Yeah.
You're skillful, pacey, got fast feet, like I've said. Are those your main strengths, you think?
Some of them, yeah. Hopefully, I've got a few more to show to the Bay fans. But yeah, I'd like to think I'm a skillful player. I like to combine with players.
Yeah.
But hopefully, I'll let the fans decide what they think. Yeah.
Have you set yourself any goals for this season?
Just keep on improving, to be fair. Take it step by step, game by game. Obviously, try and get in the team as much as possible. But obviously, as a collective, try and get a good season in, make the Bay fans happy, and then take it step by step. And hopefully, I'll add a few goals and assists to the Bay squad. Yeah.
Yeah. What team do you support?
Manchester United.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Right. We've got a few other United fans on this squad, I think. So yeah, you'll be able to talk to them about that. What's been the proudest moment of your footballing career so far?
Probably representing Wales at under 15s. Yeah.
Right.
Obviously, a big honour to represent your country. So I'd say that moment. Yeah.
So who did you play in that game?
It was like a tournament called the Cymru Cup. I was in that, so I was against boys from all over Wales, to be fair.
Right. How did you get on?
Done pretty well, to be fair. Won one, lost one, but I played really well, to be fair.
That's
got
good.
an assist as well.
And finally, have you got a message for the Bay supporters?
Just keep supporting us, and then we'll hopefully have a good season this year.
Yeah.
I'm sure I'll give 100%, and so will the other lads, and I'm sure we'll have a good season this year. Obviously, I've been to a few games at the end of the season, and I saw how good the Bay fans are, so can't wait to meet them, and then hopefully show what I can do to them.
Yeah, that's great. Well, good luck, all the best for the season, and let's get out of this hot room.
Yeah.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Cheers, Ollie.